So we're going to look at how to go from a mixed number to an improper fraction, and how to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number. If I have this mixed number, which means a whole number and a fraction, that's 2 and part of another whole. So it's in between, it's more than 2, but it's less than 3. What that would look like visually would be 2 wholes, and my denominator is 5, so it tells me there's 5 parts in a whole. So that means I have 2 wholes and 3/5 of the next whole. So when I'm looking at this, improper fraction would be how many fifths do I have? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is going to equal 13 fifths as well. This is a picture of 2 3/5 or 13 fifths. It wouldn't really be practical to draw the picture out every single time. So how do we figure that out? Well, I do 5 times 2. Where that comes from is right here. There are 2 sets of 5 pieces, so 5 times 2, and then plus 3 extra pieces. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 makes 13. 2 sets of 5 plus the 3 extra pieces. You might say you multiply, add, and then keep the denominator the same. If I started off with 13 fifths and wasn't sure what it equaled as a mixed number, this fraction bar always tells me to divide 13 divided by 5. 5 goes into 13 2 times. 2 times 5 makes 10, with 3 left, so it would be 2 3/5. Can go back and forth. We'll do one more example. Maybe I had a bigger one that you wouldn't want to draw a picture for. Maybe 7 2/9. I could draw a picture, but I don't want to draw 7 holes that each have 9 pieces in it. Again, this number is more than 7, but less than 8. I have 7 holes and part of the next hole. So I would do 9 times 7 makes 63, plus 2 makes 65. So 7 2/9 is the same as 65/9. If I could visualize it in my head, I would have 7 whole pieces, right? I would have 7 holes, 7 of these, that each have 9 parts in them. That gets me 63 parts. Plus 2 extra parts make 65/9. If I started with the 65/9, that would be 65 divided by 9. 9 is going to go in there 7 times. 3, 2 left. Mixed numbers and improper fractions.